Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see more home, holiday, event, wedding, and DIY decor. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a hula hoop balloon wreath for your upcoming birthday celebration. Here we go. Today I wanted to show you a very inexpensive way to decorate your birthday party and make it look very nice and fancy. So I decided to make hula hoop balloon wreaths. They are also very easy to make, so let's get started. Alright guys, so for this project I'm going to be using 3 hula hoops from Dollar Tree. You can choose to only use 1 or 2. I want to use 3 to make it look a little bit more grand and just more fancy than what it really is. A Dollar Tree hula hoop. So, alright, so the very first thing I'm going to do is paint my hula hoop in metallic gold. Next, I'm going to hang my air-filled balloon decorations in the middle of my hula hoops. Here I have happy birthday, and these are 2 balloons, and then I have the number 25. I wanted to make this decoration for young adults since I haven't done anything for young adults, and I was actually looking for 21, but I couldn't find a 1 to save my life in silver. So yeah, I decided to do 25. And blowing this up is very easy. You don't need any helium. All you need is the straw that it comes with. Then you're going to place the straw inside, and then you are going to push through, and then you're just going to blow into the straw. Look at that, they look so good. I love foil air-filled decorations. They look so good all the time. And don't be alarmed by this size of the number 25. They are going to fit perfectly, and I like it that it's bigger than the other letters. These are 16 inches. It was either 8 inches, 16, or 34, and 34 is way too big. I've seen 14, but I couldn't find any, so these are the best I could do. And actually I think that's what it should be, 16 inches for the actual age. All right, so let's move on and let's hang them inside the hula hoops. To hang my decorations inside the hula hoop, I'm going to be using my low temperature hot glue gun, and I'm also going to be using transparent cord. This one I'm going to use for the number 25 because it's not big enough to, lay on the corners of the hula hoop. But for happy and birthday, they hang off, so these are going to be easy to just glue. Alright, and it should look something like this. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other 2, and I'll be right back. They're all ready to go. Here I have happy. Here's B-Day, and then I have 25. Nice. All right, so now I'm going to move on to the next step, which is to decorate with colorful balloons. I'm going to be using 5-inch balloons from Dollar Tree. I have them in pink, silver, purple, and transparent, which I'm going to use with silver confetti. I'm also going to be using my balloon buddy to blow up my 5-inch balloons because I find them hard to blow up because they're so small, but you can try if you want. You can also buy a hand pump if you would like. It's cheaper. This one is $29.99, but it's so worth it because it takes no time to blow up balloons at all. All right, so next step is to pair them together. So I already blew up a couple of these. So I'm just going to pair them together. And to get your confetti inside your transparent balloon, I am using a funnel. I got this one from Dollar Tree. And all you have to do is just place the funnel inside the balloon. And then you're going to grab your confetti. And then you're going to have to grab some type of object. I'm going to use a pencil and I'm just going to get it in there. Then you are going to blow it up. Whoa! Never fails. I don't know why this always happens with my first balloon, or maybe I'm just going too fast. All right, let's do this slowly. All right. Ooh, I was scared. All right, so that should be good. So then you're gonna make sure that it's tight, and then you're going to rub it together to cause static so the confetti can stick to the balloon, okay? You can also rub it on your clothes. All right, you see that? That's how you get the confetti to stick to the balloon, static. Okay, so once you pair them together, you are going to wrap it around the hula hoop, okay? You can go around it up to 2 times. Don't be afraid, it's not going to pop, okay? I need this to go lower though. Then I'm gonna wrap around the next pair around one of these balloons. And then I'm going to continue all the way down. And here is my happy, and it truly makes me happy looking at it. It's so pretty. So this is going to go sideways like this, as of right now. I might change my mind later, but it's going to go like this. This is what I have envisioned, sideways. As of right now, I'm not going to place anything at the bottom until I see how it goes with the other 2 hula hoops. So yeah, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other 2, and I'll be right back. Okay, so for my number 25, it's going to be a little different. I'm not going to be able to wrap around the balloons around the hula hoop because of the transparent cord on the way here and on top. So what I'm going to do is grab 2 pairs and I'm going to tie them together as so. Okay, and then you are going to grab 2 of the, the balloons. How will you say that? The opening of the balloons, there you go. And that's what you're going to tie. So I'm going to go ahead and tie some down here and also on the top. All right, and here is 25. Nice. And here they are all together looking amazing. I decided that I'm not going to place balloons at the bottom of happy and birthday because it will be just way too much. My next step is going to be to hang them up. And what I'm going to do is use this self-adhesive hooks from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to place this on my ceiling. And then I'm going to use my transparent cord to hang them up. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you that this definitely works with the hook and the transparent cord, but the problem is that now that I want to move it over a little bit to the left, I feel like if I do that, it's going to take the paint off the ceiling. So that's what I get for being cheap. I guess I could have got one of those hooks that you pull the back of it and it just releases pretty easily. These are Dollar Tree hooks. The glue is really on there, so I don't know what I have to do. I might have to blow dry it or something. If you have any tips on how to get that off, let me know in the comments below. But if you look a little lower on the board right there, I have thumbtacks that I have from other setups. So what I'm going to do is hang them from those 3 thumbtacks instead, because my husband's not going to be very happy if that leaves a hole right there. So it takes the paint out. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay guys, this is it. This is my hula hoop balloon wreaths, and they are absolutely amazing. I love them. Oh my gosh guys, these look even better in person, I promise. You can use this at the entrance of your party. You can use it as the background of your party. You can use it over your dessert table, or you can even use this for your photos. And only 30 to 35 bucks for this. It totally depends on how many colors you want to place on your wreath. Love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, use that button right there right now. Also, leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of my hula hoop balloon wreath, and leave me a comment anyway, because I love to chit chat with you guys all the time. And make sure to share. Sharing is caring. If you know of a friend or a family member that's having a birthday party and they don't want to spend a lot of money, this is a wonderful way to decorate without breaking the bank. So make sure to share with them at the end of this video. All right, guys, until next time, bye.